friends! Welcome to Distance Learning week number 3. This week you technically only have 4 days of school because you have Monday off for spring break. So I hope you had a really good spring break and welcome back. Everything in this planner is due by Friday, April 17th. The first thing I want you to do is go and look at your hook and thesis discussion that we did last week, and hopefully you posted your hook and thesis sentences there, and then there should be feedback from me, so you can revise your sentences based on the feedback that I gave you. You can also look at what other people's hook and theses are looking like, so you can kind of see the feedback I gave them and what other people are doing. Then I want you to go and do this paraphrasing activity. Basically, in your research paper, you're going to take information that you researched and that you found out from other authors, and you're going to have to paraphrase some of that into your own words to prove your point of your research paper. Basically, paraphrasing avoids plagiarism because you're going to state it in your own words. You're still going to cite where you got your information from. You'll use those in-text citations to say, here's where I got this information, but then you'll say it in your own words. Because you're only allowed to have one direct quote in your paper per person. So sometimes, like one time in your paper, you can take what another author said and quote it directly with quotation marks around it and take exactly how they said it and put it into your paper to prove what you're trying to say. But other times, you're going to need to paraphrase your information. So you're putting it into your own words. So this activity will kind of show you what paraphrasing looks like, and you'll get to practice with it a little bit. So please do that. For Wednesday, I want you to find the research paper outline. This outline will help you begin drafting your paper and outlining it. This video right here will help you with how to outline your paper, and it'll show you what to do. This outline does not need to be turned in until Friday, and it's just an outline, as I say right here. It doesn't have to be as detailed as my example. I do have an example down here that you can go to and look at. It doesn't need to be that right away. Just know that you're trying to do your best to get your research into your outline, get your main points into your outline, your introduction paragraph as much as you can do. But it doesn't need to be perfect yet. This is just drafting and getting your paper outlined so you know what you're going to do for your final paper. If you have a partner, you need at least 4 main body paragraphs. So besides the introduction and the conclusion, you're going to need at least 4 main body paragraphs. If you are working alone, you need at least 2 main body paragraphs, so main points. If you have a partner, partner number 1 should write at least 1 page of the paper, and partner number 2 should write at least 1 page. Each partner should have their own font color so I know who wrote which parts. The introduction paragraph and the conclusion paragraph should be written in black font because you should write them together. For Thursday, continue working on your research paper outline. You are expected to use research in your paper, but it is important to avoid plagiarism. Therefore, you must cite all your sources in your paper. So please watch these videos. There's 2 videos that I made on writing and sandwiching body paragraphs, and it shows you how to put research into your paper so you can avoid plagiarism, and it kind of shows you the proper way to outline it and how to do it. And again, my example is here for you to look at. By Friday, continue working on your outline, and I want you to turn in what you have done of your outline, and then I'll give you feedback for next week, and then do the participation contract for week number 3. If you are confused about anything or you need anything, please email me. I've had a lot of people email with questions or concerns or ideas or whatever, so let me know if you need anything. I really miss you guys, and I so wish that we could be doing this research project in school because it's just way more fun. But I hope you have a great day. Have a great week, and I'll talk to you soon.